We are pleased to show you the 2018 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, bed liner, heated steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.